Man, don't know what just happened to the camera. I gotta recalibrate. I gotta go find a spot, sit down, and calibrate. I should show you what happens when I start it up. Starting my camera up. That's backwards. That was right after the software. If I hit the forward, we got a problem, Houston. Firmware 104.0802. Gimbal calibration. Just like that. We'll see if that fixes it. Hopefully that'll calibrate. And nothing's happening. Oh, look at that bad boy, man. Gives just like that. Not sure why that's happening. On a nice straight surface, that calibration will fail. I just don't get it. I did one shot, I picked the camera up, and yeah, that's what I got. A problem just like that. Fish, what's the cure? I don't think there is a cure, but to send it back to DJI and get it repaired. It should be under warranty, but I don't know what's gonna happen. And I just got back my Sony ZV-1 Mark II. Unbelievable. What else could go wrong? I just gotta laugh at it, man. I gotta laugh at it. Well, you know, I'm not gonna worry about it. I can hold my camera on a diagonal and it'll work. Just unbelievable. I'm gonna go watch the boat come in. Guess the gimbal's straight now. Yeah, man, firmware's got to be the issue. It has to be. Messing up the shot. Don't even know if it's recording or not. So here we are. We'll watch the captain pull in. These are the tests I've shown you and the issues I have come with the firmware 01040802. DJI, I hope the video is helpful in any ways. Any questions you guys got, post down below and I'd be more than happy to answer the questions. I'm Fish and thank you very much for viewing. I just show you that factory reset, I'm back to the norm. Have a great day.